Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can change your language on Netflix. Now, before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now, let's move on to the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for netflix.com and make sure to get logged into your account. And once you get into the Netflix account, from the home page of Netflix, head over to the profile icon at the top right, and from there tap on manage profile option and select the profile that you want to change your language on. Here you will be able to see the very first option, language. Now tap on this small arrow and there choose language for your profile. And then scroll a bit down and there tap on save button and there you can see your language has been changed. And that's how easily and quickly you can change language on Netflix. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.